Big breaking news that's coming in on India's agenda. The MHA has now set up an inter-ministerial committee to coordinate investigations into violation of various legal provisions of the PMLA, the Income Tax Act and the FCRA violation by the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust and the Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. The Special Director of the Enforcement Directorate will be heading this committee. So this is the big breaking news that's coming in. Just last week, we saw this political fight breaking out over the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation because you had the BJP alleging that funds from the Prime Minister National Relief Fund and funds from China were accepted as donations to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. And it is after these allegations from the BJP that you now have the government going ahead with a formal investigation as the MHA has now set up an inter-ministerial committee. Kamaljit Sandhu is joining us with more details on this. Kamaljit, this is a big update that's coming in. Just get us more details about, who's going to be a part of this committee that will be probing the funds of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation.
Well, MHA has set up an interministerial committee. Remember, Special Director of ED will head this particular committee. The terms of reference are yet to be shared with us. But this is obviously going to look into several aspects. One is the Congress-China link, something that the BJP has been alleging. They will also investigate into violation of various legal provisions of PMLA. They're saying the FCRA, remember this is obviously the Foreigners Division within MHA which deals with it. This is what they've been alleging, that Rajiv Gandhi Foundation and the Charitable Trust and even the Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust needs to be probed. So yes, they will obviously be looking at some of the skeletons coming out of the cupboard. But at this point of time, the Congress, which has been saying all this while that this particular attack is basically a political diversion in the wake of China and India's standoff, especially at the LSE. But clearly pressure mounting on the Congress party at this point of time, especially once a formal investigation is launched. And remember, the Special Director of ED is heading this particular committee.
This is going to trigger a big political fight, Kamaljit, because you had just last week the BJP and the Congress trading blows over this exact issue. With this development, there's no doubt that the Congress is going to come out and say that this is a political witch hunt.
Most likely, yes. They're going to say this is a political vendetta, especially because Rahul Gandhi has been repeatedly raising the issue of Indo-China connection, and especially the standoff demanding answers from the Prime Minister, from the government of India. But various parts where BJP has alleged that there were favors which were given during the Gandhi's regime, especially the Free Trade Association and agreement, which they have alleged has caused a huge amount of deficit. This is something that has been alleged. And remember, these are allegations. There has to be a formal probe into it. And once the investigation is launched, we'll have to see who's going to be called in, especially for investigation. But in all likelihood, this is going to probe into the Congress-China link. This is something which is going to raise question marks on Congress. It's going to be seen in a very political light. Remember, in a couple of minutes from now, we will expect the Congress party to react in a big way. This is obviously a big setback as far as Congress party is concerned.
Yes.
But they're going to say that this is going to be a political vendetta as far as BJP is concerned.
Okay, so there's going to be an official probe now. The government has announced the same. The MHA is setting up a committee to look into the funding of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation as well as several other trusts. Kamaljit, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.